Higher class, because
ekhaya ukuthi baba
when you come from
flat staff uphamela apha ya eKapa
you work in Cape Town,
awungasishaya isithosa uphamela eKapa
you're working in Cape Town,
ngoku uzokulela ngoku
now you are grateful
ukuthi uhamba la ekhaya
that you
kumprofeti
go to the
izinto
top,
zihamba kakuhle
things are going well,
ubona zivuleke
you see them open up,
usebenza eKapa
you're working,
lo dume eCape Town nakho ke sekufunayo
this is
uyezwa
what
nje
you want.
nawo umnikelo
Here's an offering
uzobonga imali
to be grateful with the money.
uyabonga
She's grateful.
ukuthi uhamba la ekhaya wafika
She came here.
manje ubona izinto ihamba kakuhle
Things are going well.
ubonga baba umprofeti ngoba ngiyabonga
Because you must be
asemshayele
grateful.
ihlombe
Clap your hands.
ingelosi yami ayihambe nawe ngalokho
May my angel go with you
imbusise
and bless you.
uThixo abe nawe
And God be with you.
akuvikele
Protect you.
nasethini
Even in
nalapha
enemies.
eKapa hambe
Even
nawe
there in
Jehova
Cape
ndiyabulela
Thank you.
shelethetheni
Imalena,
lena
this one
ihlamo
comes to me.
ihlamo photo
Comes to
bayabonga
me.
abantu
People are grateful.
siyavuleka izinto
Things are opening
bayabonga
up.
abantu
People are
siyavuleka
grateful. Things
izinto
are opening up.
woza nawe
Come as
mahlala
well.
nenhlupheko
Because they're suffering.
ekhaya
They're at home.
woza ubona udokotela
Come and see
semthethweni
the doctor by law.
Thank you. God
Thank you.
bless you.